Selena, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. Sum number 25. Through the midpoint M of side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, line DM is drawn intersecting diagonal AC at L in and produces AD in E. AD and BM extent meets at E. Prove that EL is equal to twice BL. Now, first part, angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles of parallel lines. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angle. M is the midpoint, therefore DM is equal to CM. Therefore, triangle DEM is congruent to triangle CBM by AAS test of congruency. So, DE is equal to BC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But BC is equal to AD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, AE is equal to AD plus DE, but DE is equal to BC, therefore equal to 2BC. Now, in triangle DLA and triangle BLC, angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity, and therefore sides are proportional. Triangle ELA is similar to triangle BLC by AA similarities. Sides are proportional. EL upon BL is equal to EA upon BC. But EA is equal to 2BC. So BC get cancelled. EL upon BL equal to 2. Therefore, EL is equal to 2BL. Sum number 26. In the given figure, P is a point on AB such that AP upon PB equal to 4:3. PQ is parallel to AC. Calculate the ratio of PQ is to AC. Give the reason for your answer. Since AP upon PB is equal to 4:3 and since PQ is parallel to BC, using basic proportionality theorem, CQ upon QB is also equal to 4:3. Therefore, BQ upon BC is equal to 3/7. 3, 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. BC is 7. So BQ upon BC equal to 3/7. Let that be equation 1. Now, angle PQB is equal to angle ACB, corresponding angles, since PQ is parallel to AC. Angle QPB is equal to angle CAB, corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle PBQ is similar to triangle ABC by AA test of similarity. Implies triangles are similar, sides are proportional. PQ upon AC is equal to BQ upon BC. BQ upon BC is 3/7. Therefore, PQ upon AC equal to 3/7 using 1. Second part, in triangle ARC, angle ARC is 90 degree. In triangle PQS, angle PSQ is 90 degree. Given QS is 6 centimeter, calculate the length of AR. In triangle ARC and triangle PQS, angle ARC is equal to PSQ, both 90 degree, and angle ACP is equal to angle QPS, alternate angles. Therefore, by AA test of similarities, triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ARC is similar to triangle QSP. Therefore, sides are proportional. AR upon QS equal to AC upon PQ. AR upon QS equal to AC upon PQ is 7 upon 3. AR equal to 7 into 6 upon 3 equal to 14 centimeter. Sum number 27. In right angle triangle QPR, PM is the an altitude. Given QR is 8 centimeter, MQ is 3.5 centimeter. Calculate the value of PR. Angle QPR is equal to angle PMR equal to 90 degree. Angle PRQ is equal to angle PRM, common angle. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle MPR by AA test of similarities. Triangles are similar, sides are proportional. QR upon PR is equal to PR upon MR. P cross multiply, PR square is equals to QR into MR. 8 into 4.5 equal to 36. PR equal to 6 centimeter. Sum number 28. In the given figure, the median BD and CE of a triangle ABC meet at G. Prove that first part, triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB. Since BD is the median and CE is a median, AD is equal to DC, AE equal to BE. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, ED is parallel to BC. Okay, we will take in triangle EGD and CGB, angle DEG is equal to angle GCB, alternate angles. Angle EGD is equal to angle CGB, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Since triangles are similar, sides are proportional. GD upon GB is equal to ED upon BC. Let that be first part. In triangle AED and ABC, angle AED is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles parallel sides. Angle EAD is equal to angle BAC, common angle. Therefore, triangle EAD is similar to triangle BAC by AA similarities. Therefore, ED upon BC is equal to AE upon AB, which is equal to 1:2, since E is the midpoint. therefore implies ED upon BC is equal to 1 upon 2. But ED upon BC is equal to GD upon GB. Therefore, GD upon GB is equal to 1 upon 2. GB equal to 2GD. Hence, proved.